Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got another hot day in store for us. Our record for this date is only at 90 degrees, and we are expected to pass that record today with those temperatures expected in the low to mid 90s as we go into the afternoon, already up to 87 degrees here as of the 10 o'clock hour. I want to take a close look here at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release. You can see those winds out of the northwest at the low levels of the atmosphere, pretty light at the surface and at the 1,000-foot level, only about 5 knots. And as we go up in height, those winds increasing with height, generally staying out of a westerly to northwesterly direction. As you can see, that 25,000-foot level up to about 30 knots. Freezing level pretty high this morning at 14,300 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, area of high pressure over the southeastern United States continuing to bring us very mild conditions today, unseasonably warm with those temperatures again expected in the low to mid 90s. We see some upper level disturbance moving throughout the Ohio Valley currently, and we are going to see some upper level energy move through our region as we go throughout the next several hours and into the late afternoon and into the early evening today. We'll also see that upper level energy produce just a little bit of thunderstorm activity, mainly off to the north of our region. We will see that disturbed weather with some showers and thunderstorms more likely into the northern portions of the Delmarva this morning, but later this evening. But as you can see here, that storm system well off to our west currently, so we'll see several hours of dry weather across the Delmarva before this disturbed weather moves through the Delmarva Peninsula later today. You can see here clear skies across the Delmarva Peninsula with some cloudiness beginning to push in from the west, and we'll start to see some lower to mid-level cloudiness begin to push through as we go through the next few hours this morning and into the afternoon. Looking at our radar, you can see really nothing in the local area here this morning, but we are seeing plenty of shower and thunderstorm activity pushing through the Ohio Valley. That will slowly start to push off to the east and eventually impact the Delmarva Peninsula as we go throughout the evening hours tonight. You can see here on our model simulation what we can expect later this evening at around 10 or 11 o'clock. Some of these showers and thunderstorms pushing north of our region. Could see some isolated shower and thunderstorm activity farther south across the eastern shore of Virginia into the Wallops area, but most of that activity will be off into the northern portions of the Delmarva for this evening, only looking at about a 25% chance of thunderstorms to occur. As we go through the day on Thursday, we'll pause the model here at about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see some showers and thunderstorms pushing a little farther south. Looks like that upper level disturbance will be farther south on Thursday than what we'll see later this evening, so a better chance of some showers and thunderstorms pushing across the area during the time frame on Thursday afternoon into the evening hours. Looking at again some showers and thunderstorms mainly to our north, but a little bit farther south, looking at some higher chances for Thursday afternoon and into Thursday evening. So taking a look here at our next 24 hours in a little bit more detail, you can see dry weather expected to continue through about 7 p.m. tonight, and then a very slight chance of shower and thunderstorms during the early evening hours. A better chance after about 8 or 9 o'clock as we go through the midnight hours. We'll see about a 25% chance of thunderstorm activity, about a 30% chance of precipitation to occur during those hours. And then after midnight tonight, expecting dry weather, mild conditions to continue with a low temperature of 75 degrees. Looking at the next couple of days here into the 7-day forecast, you're going to look at mild conditions to very hot conditions continuing through the next several days. 94 degrees expected today for Wednesday, and then Thursday looking at a high of 92 degrees with a better chance of some precipitation on Thursday than what we'll see on Wednesday. Again, looking at about a 30% chance of precip on Wednesday evening, 45% on Thursday evening, and then we'll catch a break in the action As far as showers and thunderstorms go on Friday, and also a break in the heat as well, as those temperatures should drop about 10 degrees from Thursday to Friday, and even cooler conditions expected as we go into the weekend, into the first part of next week. We'll see temperatures closer to normal for this time of year. And then we'll see those shower and thunderstorm chances once again on Saturday and Sunday. Looks like most of Saturday will remain dry with only about a 30% chance of evening thunderstorms. But Sunday looks like the best chance this weekend for showers and thunderstorms to occur throughout the day. About a 55% chance currently for Sunday. And then as we go into the beginning of next week, it looks like dry weather and some cooler conditions will settle into the region for our forecast for the beginning of next week. 75 on Monday and 77 degrees expected on Tuesday. But I wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.